Good day and welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, I'm going to be creating a very small website using Bootstrap. So in our last lesson, we have gone over what Bootstrap is and I covered a little bit on how Bootstrap works. So I'm just going to go ahead and come here and clean all of these that we used for illustration prior. Just go ahead and clean all this. So that I'm left with my body tag and my footer. Now, mind you, I added this and I'll put it down in the description below. It's just to add jQuery to my website in case I want to use it. So let's get started. The first thing I do is that I come over to, this is my page. This is my HTML page. If I refresh it, you can see what is there. If I go ahead and save it, since I've removed everything, and then I refresh, as you can see, it's only my footer that is showing up here. I went to this website called bootstrapshuffle.com/classes. Now you understand a little of how Bootstrap works. So I'm just going to be going ahead to use this reference page, which shows a lot of Bootstrap classes that are available. And you can see how they work here too, and simply copy and paste them, and we are going to use them to build our site. Before I get deeper, let me explain to you a little thing about Bootstrap. First of all, BTN in Bootstrap means button, right? So you can see, just like we just saw recently, I created a button and I gave it a class. Whether it is a link, whether you use the button tag or the ahref tag, once you give it a class of BTN, it will style it to look like a button, just like we have seen. I'll go ahead and just complete this. And let's say I give my link a name of, let me go ahead and clean this href first. Let's say I give my link a name of this is a link. I save it, I come to my page, I refresh, and as you can see, this is my link here. The link will not be clickable until I add my href attribute. So I come here and I add href equal to, let's just give it hash. Hash means when you click on it, nothing should happen. I refresh, and as you can see, now it has become a link. Now, if I give it a class of button, just like we learned recently, class equal to BTN, save it, I refresh, and as you can see, it has been styled a little, right? Because in Bootstrap, BTN means button, right? Then in Bootstrap, there are certain things that denote different colors, just like I was saying. For example, BTN success. Success means color green, as you can see, a green button. If I had a text, for example, just like I taught you in that paragraph, I'll write text success and return the text to color green. Success in Bootstrap means color green. Primary in Bootstrap, I just want you to take note of these things before we actually start creating the site. Primary in Bootstrap means color blue, like you see here. Warning, save. So if I put anything, text warning, alert warning, modal warning, do you understand? Anything I put and I add warning to it will make it color orange, like this. There are other colors too. There is danger. Danger stands for red. There is a secondary. Secondary stands for gray, right? If I save that and I refresh, as you can see, it has become gray because I used secondary. I just want you to understand this concept of colors when it comes to Bootstrap. Anywhere you see primary is just color blue in Bootstrap. Anywhere you see success is color green, and so on and so forth. Then I want you to understand the concept of size in Bootstrap 2. For example, I can say btn sm. Sm means small, means let my button be small. As you can see, the button size has reduced. If I say btn md, md means let it be medium size, as you can see. And lg means lg, save, means I let it be big. I just want you to understand these simple concepts because we are going to be using them extensively.